In today's video, I'll be going over how I bought my Lexus from Copart and how you guys can buy cars off Copart as well. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is figure out if you need a broker in your state. The reason why you need a broker in your state is to get past needing licenses to buy cars. Certain states you need the licenses, but others you don't. I'll put a map up now if you need those licenses. Now, after you figure out if you need a broker or not, if you do need a broker, I recommend Auto Bidmaster. The fees are kind of high, but I've used it, so I know for a fact it works. I don't know about any other brokers. Now, your other option, if you don't need a broker, you can sign up for Copart regularly. I haven't done that in this example. I am going to be using Auto Bidmaster because that's what I've done. And in my state, you have to use a broker. But there is other videos online if you can use regular Copart. I'll link one down below. Now on Auto Bidmaster, I'll have it linked down below for you can open to it. After you make an account, it'll bring you to a screen like this. Now this is where you look for different cars. I'll be looking for Lexuses because that's what I'm personally looking for. After you click search, it'll bring you to hundreds of them. Now there's different categories that you can sort by else than what it showed before, like location, primary damage, vehicle type, engine type, transmission type. Now, what I personally do, what I find the easiest way to sort by is going to pure sell items and then run and drive. Run and drive is going to be your best bet to get something that's not totally cooked. Now, we can just scroll through this and find a car that we actually like. Like, there's some on here that barely have damage that get totaled out for weird stuff. Like this one right here, this one looks pretty fine. Now, after you find a car you like, and some of them will be no title, but they will have a bill of sale. Now with the bill of sale in Pacific states, you can get a title. It's just really hard. I wouldn't recommend doing it. Now this is really clean. I don't see that much damage. It's flood damage, so that would be something I would personally pass on because you don't know what's wrong with it, but it is running. Most of them will have a picture of them trying to start it or running. But this one, obviously, it's at Copart. It has check engine light and stuff, but I don't think it would be that bad. It is flood damage, though. Now, before you can bid on a car, you are going to need to add a security deposit, which most of them, it will say at the top. If not, you can click on buying power, and it'll bring you to the page. Now, after it brings you to this page, mine is going to be higher because I have bought a car before. But it's $600 you deposit for a security deposit. It's just to make sure you don't back out of a purchase. Now, if you do buy a car, you will get the $600 back, guaranteed. It will just pop up in your bank account. That's what happened to me. But if not, I think it's 30 days guaranteed it will be back in your account. Now, say you find a car that you like and you're trying to place a bid on it. Bidding is right here. Now, you can bid on this and win this right here, but after this countdown ends, it goes to another bid, which is the live bid. Live bid, you do have to upgrade your account to pay for. Now, a car like this, if there's not that many people bidding on it and you win this bid, you'll most likely win. That's what happened to me. But if there is a lot of people looking for it and it goes to a live bid, you probably won't win it. Now, say it does go to a live bid and you win it. What will happen after that is if you come over here to your lot wins, it will pop up right here and say you won it. Now, if you won it right here where it says status, you can track it getting delivered. I got it delivered on Auto Bidmaster. They try and make you pay for it as hard as they can. They don't really like you picking it up. Now, for me, it was only $260 to get delivered. In total, I paid like $700 for it plus delivery. Now, after all that, they will email you a ton of documents that you got to put your name and like fill out. It's like 10 in total, and you will have to submit a picture ID. Now, I'm 17. It let me do it, so I don't think it would really matter. As long as you have a valid driver's license, I don't think it matters. After you do all that, though, they will pretty much nonstop email you about it until you get your car. Now, I obviously can't show that because I don't have the emails. I did it so long ago. But I will show you what my title and everything came in. Now, right here, I have what my package came in. It's legit. They just send you one of these with your title in it. Now, your title is 2 different pages. It's not in your name. What happens is it comes in auto bid masters. I'm assuming you take it to a DMV and you can still get transferred in, because the second page, that's pretty much what it talks about, is how it's transferred to your name instead of theirs. And it's filled out already and everything, so I just have to take it there. And it's really not that hard to do. It's just your first time, it's going to be confusing to do, but it wasn't that bad. Now, I will say though, some stuff that it shows in the pictures might not be in the car. My radio was gone and my reverse camera. Now, I gave them the car with that stuff in it, so I know for a fact that it should have came with that stuff, but it didn't. So that is on Copart, which I didn't email them or anything, because I got the car for $1,000 in total, and I have a ton of parts on that car that are worth way more. So I didn't say anything, but there is some stuff that's probably going to be missing. Now, if this video is helpful, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.